As we look at this integral and think about wanting to use the integral table, I'm not going to find an x cubed on there. So I'm going to do a little bit of doctoring up first so that I can use the integral table. So if I wanted to do a u substitution and I'm thinking of calling x cubed plus 8 my du is going to involve an x squared term, and I don't have an x squared term. So I'm going to put an x squared term, but I can't just do that with a variable unless I compensate for that. So I'm going to make this an x cubed. So essentially what I did was I multiplied numerator and denominator by x squared. And now why I would do that is now I can do a u substitution, letting u be x cubed plus 8, and then my du would be 3x squared dx, and I can make this a 1/3, and so my x squared dx is right there. Now let's go ahead and express this then in terms of u, and so I can replace the x squared dx with 1/3 du. So there's my 1/3, and I'll just put the du right there. But now I have an x cubed right here. Well, I can easily find out what x cubed equals by solving this for x cubed. So it's going to be u minus 8. So I can put u minus 8 there, and then here was the thing that I had called u. So now we're ready to look at the integral table. We will look for a rational function that has this product in the denominator. So I first want to choose integrals of rational functions, and then I'm going to scroll down and have a look at these, and looking for something that would fit that form. Now actually, if I look here at number 14, I can see that this is essentially what I have, because I just had a u, but this could be u plus 0. So this one would work. So let's go ahead and go back and use this formula. So we can see that our x here is u, and our a is -8, and our b is 0. So let's go ahead and apply this formula. So we have our 1/3 out in front, and then we have 1 over b minus a, that's 0 minus -8, so that's going to be 1 over 8 times the natural log of a plus x. That's going to be -8 plus u over b plus x, that's 0 plus u. And now let's go ahead and resubstitute. And so it looks like I've got 1/24 times the natural log of u was x cubed plus 8, and then we have minus 8, so that's just going to be x cubed over u, which was x cubed plus 8 plus the constant. I guess we should have put that on right here, but as long as we make sure we get that on our answer. One last thing, they don't have this on this integral table, but we should have here an absolute value on these.